Hello, my name is Nariman Bazarbay. In this video, I will present my pre-graduational internship project developed at PIDA Accounting Development. I will do a short technical walkthrough of the code base and explain the main architecture and features of the I had implemented. So, first I will sort the project stack. This is the stack we have used the React and the White. For routing, I had used the React router. For handling React hook forms and the global state Redux toolkit. For authentication, we had used the Firebase. So let me show the main app entry and the routing structure in app. In the application wrapped with the Redux provider and the authentication provider, so state and authentication are available globally. Here I had configured the main for the public page, onboarding flow, login, and the protected dashboard access. Also, at the layout level, the app uses a reusable header and the footer, and this keep visual structure consistent across all pages. So let me show the authentication context. In authentication, we had implemented like a basic things like sign up, login, log out, and the password reset. Its logic is connected to Firebase authentication, and the out state is the tracked with the on authentication state changed. So UI updates the user signs or in our signs out. In protected route, I had out the access control. If the user is not authenticated, they will be redirected to the login page again. It's a basic thing like in Firebase. Let me show configuration. We have used like a safe fallback behavior for development and the configuration method. And state management, let's show me Redux state management. The store combines the two main slices, like a tariff state and a service state. In tariff states, I had implementations tariff selection, ad management, total monthly price calculation, like that. So let me show the onboarding part of the site. So one of the important parts of the work, the multi-step client onboarding form. The form has separate stages: account creation, personal business details, and the service confirmation. We have used the React hook form, the validating and the error handling. There's a step-by-step validating, moving the forward to users cannot continue with the incomplete and the invalid data. The form also includes the conditional fields. For example, business-related inputs are shown only when the business account type is selected. And in final step, the selection service are summarized and total logic is applied. And of course, for testing, we had used the mob API layer for integration testing without the full backend dependency. We had created the mock API layer. It includes email ability check, onboarding submission simulating, and the service retrieval function. This made it possible to test users during the development and validate front-end behavior things and scenarios. And let me show the dashboard. After authentication, every user reaches the dashboard page. The screen displays to users related information, the key interface section such as quick action, state widgets, and transaction style components. And to summarize, this project helped to me study the practical skills in front-end architecture, routing, authentication, form workflows, and state management. And also, I had improved my approach to clean the component structure, validation quality, and user experience detail like loading and accessibility behavior. So in the next part of the video I will show the photos from my workplace, and thank you for attention. Bye.